Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a Nykaa recommendation haul. Starting with the base product, concealer product that I want to recommend is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Coverage Concealer. It's a very good concealer guys. I love the doe foot applicator. You just apply 2 dots and it will give you a full coverage. You don't need anything else. You don't need a color corrector or anything. It is so good, and it is also a dupe for the Tarte Full Coverage Concealer, and you will get this at a 40% flat discount currently on Nykaa, so don't miss buying this. Looking for a tinted moisturizer, I would recommend you the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. It has hyaluronic acid and it's a beautiful foundation guys, a tinted moisturizer, and it is so lightweight. आज मैंने यही लगाया हुआ है, and this is how it blends like a dream, and it has a moisturizer and hyaluronic acid which keeps your skin smooth all throughout the day. So right now there is a very good offer going on Color Bar, so you must definitely not miss picking this up. Next recommendation is this cult favorite Charlotte Tilbury Compact. It's my favorite guys. It is so lightweight, it is so finely milled that it easily, like, look at that, easily blends into the skin and gives you that flawless finish. If you want one product from Charlotte Tilbury, this is the one you should go for. For eyeshadow, I have my tried and tested 3 favorite products. So the first palette I want to recommend is Quadrant Set from K Beauty, and look at the colors guys. It's so finely milled, so easy to blend, and the glitter shades are so easy to pick up. Like, look at that, look at that. It gives such a nice shade, and it comes in 5 to 6 shades, so you can definitely pick up one of these or 2 of these or 3 of these because it's on 35% discount on Nykaa. So if you're looking for a festive season, some glitter eyeshadows, then you can definitely look for these ColourPop eyeshadows. They are a one swipe applicator. You just need a one swipe and it will give you such a beautiful kind of a eyeshadow effect. If you are somebody who doesn't want to do like too big on the eye makeup, then you can definitely pick up these because you just put the base and then this and you're good to go. And this comes in multiple shades and it's currently on buy one get one offer. Next, for the kajal, I want to recommend this Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. It is so good. I recently used it on a trip. Super jet black and so easy to work with. In fact, I recently went on a trip and because of the rains, all my makeup came off except this kajal. It is smudge proof, it is affordable, and currently you will get 2 kajals at rupees 190, so it's a very good deal. I want to recommend this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It is a waterproof mascara, but it comes off very easily with a cleansing balm. Because of its beautiful applicator, it really helps in giving that lashy effect. So today I am applying this mascara, and look at my mascara, it's looking so nice. Next, for eyebrows, I want to recommend you that you should go for this Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. It's a very good powder and you get 2 different shades into one, and you can use it according to your need. If you want a natural, you can go for the lighter shade. If you want a darker one shades, you can use the darker shade, or you can mix both the shades to get that natural look as per your liking. And currently I'm not sure if it is on discount, but usually Anastasia is on discount, so if you get this product on discount, do pick it. Or I want to recommend this Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. It is so cushion applicator, and it is in the liquid formula, which is like, look at that. You a very natural kind of contour which doesn't look very sharp, very warm, very natural. So Elf is also on a buy one get one offer, so do check it out. Next 3 blushes are the ones that I have really shook me, and I got them in the last Nykaa summer sale. So let's talk about them. So first one is a dupe of the Bennett tint, which comes for around 2500, and this is from the brand L18, which comes for rupees less than 200 I guess, and it works exactly like that. It's a tint, and this is how it looks. You just need this much, and look at that tint. It's just that you need to work very quickly with this, otherwise it's going to leave dots. Looking for a best dupe for the Bennett tint, this is the one that you should go for. Next, I bought this nude blush from the brand Swiss Beauty. It's their Dew It Up blush. It has a very thick wand, just this much. It's such a pretty neutral sort of shade. In camera it is looking a little pink, but it's a very neutral pinky sort of a shade, I would say. And this looks very pretty if you've done a smoky eye or for a party and your dress is very blingy and you want a natural blush. This looks very beautiful. Next is the viral Maybelline matte blush from their Matte Kisses range. It's in the shade Pink Mirage, and this is also a very beautiful shade. What about it is that it has a little bit of glow that looks very beautiful in the sunlight. Let's see that. You see that? पहली बात तो ये इतनी जल्दी से it blends like it's gone. It's blended so well, and you can see in the sunlight, if you see this, it glows from within. You know, you can see that it's glowing little bit. Yeah, so it gives you like a highlighter plus a blush effect. So if you want something like that, Maybelline is also on a very good discount, so you can definitely check it out. Next, I want to recommend you this beautiful pink lipstick from the brand Lakme. All the packaging is so luxe and so beautiful, and this is how the shade looks. I'm going to apply this and show you. Just one swipe and look at that color. There's just one con about this lipstick, that if you eat something oily, it's going to come off and you have to reapply it. Otherwise, it's a beautiful lipstick. With another beautiful lipstick from Swiss Beauty, it is their Lustre lipstick, and I got the shade My Rose. And look at this shade, guys. It is so pretty. Like, look at that. You see this shade? It is so good. I did not expect Swiss Beauty to make such beautiful lipstick, and it's really good and highly recommended. Highlighter, I tried this new brand which is called BH Cosmetics. It's a very nice brand, and their highlighter also is very beautiful. Look at this. You can see one swipe and it's very finely milled. Apply and gives that nice reflection. If you want to try a new highlighter from a new brand, then you can definitely check this out. I am in the shade Sunflower. The first product I want to recommend in the skincare is these two beautiful mist. First is this Moisture Boost Mist from Swiss Beauty. This is a very good product, guys. Look at the fine mist it has, and I use it before makeup, after makeup, and it just sets my makeup really well and gives that nice freshness feeling to your skin, and it is very quick absorbing, hydrating. So I am currently loving this. So if you want to try something under budget which gives you that nice refresh feeling, you can definitely consider this. Next is my favorite since the time I bought it is the DU Imbalance Soothing Milky Tonic. This is an amazing product, guys. Iska mist itna acha hai, and because it's a milky tonic, it really helps in hydrating my skin, soothing my skin, and takes care of my skin barrier. So another very good brand. Next, I want to recommend you a mask. This is the Foxtail Purple Mask. Actually the best mask in the market right now, and it's a purple clay mask, and it helps in cleaning all your pores, blackheads, and really improves your skin clarity. So if you're tan, apply this mask in the morning, and by the end of removing this mask, your skin is going to definitely glow. Next thing I want to recommend is this Dove Ka scrub. I'm sure all of you have used this scrub and rave about it. It is so good. It lathers really well, and all their variants are amazing. But I am currently hooked on to this one, which is their mango variant, and I love using this. Next, I want to recommend my new purchase from Bath and Body Works, which is currently on a very good discount. This is basically a glowing illuminant fruit enzyme scrub. Fruit enzyme scrub really helps in removing your dead skin and also giving you a glowing effect. I have used it 2-3 times, एंड मैं सच बता रही हूँ, इसको यूज़ करने के बाद ये पानी में मिलके इतना अच्छा इमल्सिफाई होता है एंड माई स्किन एक्चुअली फेल्ट लाइक मक्खन. Tried all the variants of Dove and you want to try something new, then you should definitely check this. Next body care set I want to recommend is from the brand Plum. I am currently obsessed with this range. So it's their body loving shower gel in the fragrance Lily Miss Sunshine. Guys, when you apply this, it lathers amazingly and it smells divine. My whole bathroom smells amazing with this. And they have also launched, I think they had already launched this body cream, so I am using this, and this is their new mist that they have launched in the same fragrance, and it is so good that, oh my god, isko jitna bhi laga lo kam hai guys. And I love the packaging, I love the fragrance, so definitely check this out. Secret Bombshell, or sorry, this is the Tease one. I also have the Bombshell one. So Victoria's Secret Bombshell and Tease both are amazing lotions. They are so lightweight, so amazing, and the fragrance is to die for. And right now they are on 1+1 offer, so if you want, you can actually buy this with the fragrance. I don't have the mist, I have ordered. Definitely buy this combo on a BOGO offer and you will thank me forever. In shampoo and conditioner, I want to recommend you this new range from L'Oreal, Hydraulic Pure 72-hour purifying shampoo. It has worked really good for my hair because I have a really oily scalp, and if you have like really oily scalp and dry damaged length, then this shampoo is like very amazing. And I actually like the conditioner more than the shampoo because this conditioner, if you have fine hair, this conditioner will suit perfect. It is so lightweight that it just emulsifies in your lens and doesn't drip that moisture. Your hair will feel super smooth. Serum, I want to recommend you this L'Oreal serum, which is their hydraulic moisture serum, and it works so well on dry damaged hairs. I have used it twice, and for the first impression, it has really made my hair so smooth and nice and shiny. So you can definitely check this range because it's currently on a flat 40% off. Sorry, I forgot to show you this last hair care product. It's from the brand Tangle Teaser. I think it is also on a discount. This is a very good brush, guys. Look at that. All their brushes are so good. I personally like this compact one. If you are looking for a brush that just seamlessly and efficiently detangles your hair, this is the one that you should look for. With this, we have come to the end of the video, and I hope you liked all my recommendations, which are my personally tried and tested, and I love all these products. They are my holy grails, and I hope you will also be able to make a good choice from my recommendations and buy it. If you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe my video. We meet next time. Stay happy and stay safe.